Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on practice reminder on your Duolingo app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that. So all you have to do, just go down here, you will click here on this side down here, and it's going to take you here in this window, and all you have to do is just we need to show for you like this. You go up, you will click here on this sign here on app, then it's going to show, or it's going to take you here in this window, and you just go down here, so here, and you come here to you come here to practice reminder. Here you click here on this sign here, and or this phone here, and like you see color show for us, that's mean it's on now, and here for email. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So before I forget, so you click here on save to save your settings. So that's all. Thank you for your watching.